arsehole. Get out of the fucking car.
What are you doing? Now then, which one of you is going to pull out in front? Fucking knew it. Fucking knew someone was going to do it. So guys, you won't hear me do any swearing in this clip. And do you want to know why? The lovely people over at AutoDoc have sponsored me for this video. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about AutoDoc first. They've got a website and an app. You can buy your car and motorbike parts on there. They've got great low prices, like if you need some brakes because someone's pulled out in front of you again, you need engine parts, you know, a little bit of a traffic light Grand Prix, or maybe you need suspension for all of those damn potholes you keep going over. Head over to their website and check them out. They've even got deals, you know, special offers, get money off of oil and other stuff while you're there. So go down to the description, click on the links, head over to there, show them some love, and thank you very much to them for sponsoring this video. They also operate in 26 different countries, so if you're not from the UK, don't worry. So guys, let's get back into the usual stuff now. Red light, dickhead. Fucking retard. Gonna stop? Fuck off, you cunt! You learn to stop at fucking roundabouts when you're meant to, arsehole. The fuck? I nearly just hit them because they came out from nowhere, and they've definitely stolen that. Cunts. Fucking hell, mate. Didn't nearly get hit by the fucking police, so I guess I'm trying to chase them, but doing a bad job. The number plate on that car in front, is it just meant to say tit and piss? Is it not, you know, a bit smarter than that? Literally just tit and piss? Let me know down in the comments. Whatever. Fucking red light, you dickhead, for you. Red light! Fucking special, you don't have to stop for them. Yes, red light. No point saying thank you if I spread you across the floor, is there? Saying thank you? I mean, he's saying sorry, but still. It's no good if I ended up putting him in hospital because of his own stupidity. That's it, undertake the vehicle that's making a left turn. You're the smart one, aren't you? Are you fucking shitting me? Because you let those fucking cunts cross, now I have to wait again. Cunt! Fucking cunt. fucking wanker! You fucking dickhead! She couldn't have sped up a tiny bit. What? Dickhead! They've definitely got a red light there because we had a right filter light. Fucking idiots. When I looked in the mirror behind me as well, he was cutting across in front of the car behind me, so he didn't even stop afterwards, he just kept going. Retard. Whoa, mate, dickhead. They shouldn't have been where they were, to be honest, but like, you nearly fucking had them. It's your fucking eyes! What the fuck are you doing? You could have fit through there and the cyclist. Dumb cunt. Let's see how many dickheads decide to drive all the way down and then push in at the end. There's number 2. Of course it's a fucking Uber. And there's number 3 pulling in behind me. Oh, and number 4. What the fuck are you doing? Dickhead.